Bicycle accidents are really interesting because as a bicyclist, sometimes you're a car, sometimes you're a pedestrian. And it depends on what you're doing with your bike. And you can be riding your bike and still be a pedestrian. You can ride your bike on the sidewalk and be a pedestrian. You can ride your bike in a crosswalk and be a pedestrian. The law says, though, you've got to be riding at the pace of a person who is walking. So if you ride through a crosswalk really fast, you do not get the protection of a pedestrian in a crosswalk. If you ride your bike through a crosswalk as slow as someone walking, you do. Proving that can be really difficult. So I always ask my clients if they've been injured in a crosswalk while riding their bike, were they going faster than a person walking? That can be difficult to prove. The other thing that's interesting with bicycle accidents is insurance issues. Getting your medical bills paid can be more difficult than a car accident. In a car accident, your personal injury protection coverage will pay from your auto insurance. In a bicycle accident, that may not be the case. You may have to get your health insurance company to pay, and you often need a lawyer to do that because many health insurance policies don't require the health insurance company to pay for your medical treatment caused by the fault of a third party. Establishing fault in a bicycle accident can be difficult. Issues of whether you're riding within the bicycle lane, whether you're riding in the lane of traffic, whether you're in the right part of the lane of traffic, can be issues that you don't know about, but lawyers do. I mean, we study this stuff and we're up to speed on that. We know what to look for and what to prove and what kind of evidence we need to make sure that the driver that hits you, it pays for the damages you sustained. When you're hit by a car on a bike, you can sustain really bad injuries. It's so important to wear a helmet, but even if you do, you're probably going to be badly injured if you're hit by a car. You need to set up a claim with the at-fault driver's insurance company, and you need a lawyer to help you to do that. You need to negotiate the settlement of your claim with the at-fault driver's insurance company if you can. And if you can't, a lawsuit needs to be filed. Most cases will settle, but if they don't, you really need a lawyer to file a lawsuit.